If you're tired of constant pings and pop-ups from Telegram interrupting your day, this tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to confidently turn off or fine-tune Telegram notifications on your computer, so you only hear from who and what matters most to you. Let's dive right in. Go ahead and open Telegram up on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the right account. Now you'll want to access Telegram's main menu. If you're using the classic version, look for those three little horizontal lines, that classic hamburger icon in the top left corner. Depending on your version, you might notice instead it's your own profile picture up there. Either way, click that spot to open up the menu, and from there, select Settings. Don't worry if you needed a second to find it. The interface can look a little different depending on updates. Now that you're in Settings, look for the tab labeled Notifications and Sounds. It's usually toward the top or halfway down the options. Go ahead and click into that. This is where all the magic happens for taking control of your Telegram alerts. If you want to go totally silent, maybe you're stepping into a meeting or you just need some uninterrupted focused time, find the main toggle that says Show Notifications. This switch works like a master light switch for all notifications on Telegram. Flip it off, that's it. All the buzzes, dings, banners, and pop-ups will instantly stop. If you ever find yourself missing important updates, you can always pop right back in and turn them on again just as quickly. But maybe you don't want to silence everything. Instead, let's say you still want to hear from your close friends, but not that one group chat that never sleeps or all those channel announcements. Telegram gives you fine-grained control here. Just scroll a little further down and you'll spot sections for chat notifications, group notifications, and channel notifications. Under each of these, you'll see toggles for things like sounds, pop-ups, and message previews. You can turn off just what annoys you without losing the notifications you actually care about. For example, you might leave sound notifications on for private chats, but disable pop-ups for big groups that are always active. Imagine it like tuning the stations on your radio. You pick what you listen to. And here's a pro tip. If there are particular chats, groups, or channels that are especially noisy, you can hop into individual conversations and adjust their notification settings separately. That way your work group stays muted during the day, but family alerts still get through. One more thing that can be a sneaky source of distraction, those contact join Telegram notifications. Whenever someone from your contacts list joins Telegram, it might ping you by default. If you'd rather not be notified every single time someone new signs up, scroll to the Events section. Here you'll find an option to turn off those specific alerts. With just a click, you can keep your notification center focused and clutter-free. Take your time with these settings. You can always test, adjust, and fine-tune until your Telegram feels just right for your workflow. And remember, if you ever second-guess a change, it only takes a minute to change things back. If this video helped you reclaim your peace from notification overload, be sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions or tips for managing Telegram that you want to share, drop a comment below. I love reading your feedback and helping out. And if you want more straightforward guides like this, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching and enjoy your quieter, more focused Telegram.